Good day, everyone. We have two special friends to introduce to you, Mia and Elif. Mia loves painting and Elif adores reading. They may have different interests, but they share the same school, laughter, and dreams. Now that you've met our friends, are you ready to dive into their exciting school adventures? The school bell rings and our adventure begins. As Mia and Elif step into their classroom, their faces light up with excitement. They love learning about the stars in science class and creating colorful paintings in art. But the real fun starts during recess, playing tag and sharing stories under the warm sun. Now, let's see if you've been paying attention. Can you tell us what Mia and Elif's favorite subjects are? Wow, school is so much fun with Mia and Elif, isn't it? Uh-oh, it seems Mia has lost her lunchbox. Can we help her find it? Let's put on our detective caps and venture into this fun puzzle. Together with Mia and Elif, we'll search high and low, leaving no stone unturned. It's like a thrilling treasure hunt, isn't it? But more than the excitement, this adventure teaches us a valuable lesson: the importance of lending a hand to friends in need. Great job, everyone! With your help, Mia's lunchbox is found. Remember, friends help each other in times of need. Every adventure comes with valuable lessons. Let's see what Mia and Elif have learned today. The day started bright and early, filled with the joy of learning. Math problems turned into fun puzzles, and history became an exciting story. Next came the importance of friendship. When Elif's lunchbox went missing, Mia didn't hesitate to share her own. They discovered that a meal shared with a friend tastes twice as sweet. Finally, they learned the value of helping others. By helping their classmate find a lost book, they realized that kindness is the greatest gift we can give. Now, let's see if you've been paying attention. What's the sweetest meal, and what's the greatest gift? What a day! Mia and Elif have learned so much, and so have we. Until the next adventure, remember to be kind, helpful, and always eager to learn.